welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soapie series, and namhlanje guys sikhuluma ngamalanga awafani. Guys, niyabona ukuthi kushube kanjani ngamalanga awafani. UGumede ushonile and unkosikazi wakhe ke ublame ingane. Usekhohliwe ukuthi indoda yakhe beyithanda kangakanani ke imali. Bethanda imali indoda yakhe, yikho nje bezoyithathela ke nemoto noma isishonile ke. Bathi ke unkosikazi kaGumede uzoxosha ingane zikaGumede, umndeni waGumede uzoxosha wonke lapha yana ke ngicanga ukuthi uzothi abangcwabane ke I don't know, because kuyavela kumathiyeza ukuthi ke osabelo bazoke besokola ke ngendaba yokuthi ke bazomncwaba kanjani babo wabo, because they don't have money, they don't have anything, and they will go back to enquthu. And ke guys kuzokwenza ama contribution ukuthi ke egcine ke encatshiwe ke uGumede, and bathi ke there will be a reunion between uGumede noMaduma njengoba sebeshonile bobabili ke. Shuthi bezoba ke idlozi elihle ke inganeni zabo ke, asazi ukuthi izinto zazo zizolunga yini. Well guys, it's season finale of amalanga awafani on Friday mhla ka-24 April 2026. It will be the last episode ka season 1, but ke guys ayizoqala ilokhunjana season 2 immediately, bathi ke uzoqala ngoMay mhla ka-25 season 2 wamalanga ke awafani, uzoqala ngomhla ka-25 May. Isizini ke le izoqala guys, bathi ke izoveza ke ukuthi ke impilo yama-twins izohamba kanjani. We'll be seeing the twin dealing with the consequences of losing their fame and fortune, shifting from the impilo ke ephezulu to start again phansi. And into yabibuhlungu guys, because azange baze balungisa umuzi ekhaya, baninga indoda 2 million, indoda yangawakho umuzi bangalandelela, like bakhohlwa nje ikona konke. So guys asazi ukuthi izoma kanjani, but nje it's the beginning, it's the re-beginning actually, because they had a chance of ukwenza izinto ngendlela right, but they chose ukuphila lempilo ke yamavayivaya kade beyiphila ke laphana ke eThekwini. But one thing about uThembi guys, uThembi uzamile kakhulu amabhizinisi akhe, kwakuthi ke izinto zakhe ke ayibangeke salunga. Asazi uma they will start again, bacule baqale phansi bazama ifame yokucula, we don't know, but nje impilo yabo guys izoba ke inzima kakhulu ke ku season 2. Abasenabazali kuzobe kunzima bakithi, from being umqashi to be uThembi lo wayidayisa emgwaqeni ke dayisa ke ombila, ayi kusazoshuba kakhulu. So yeah guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Leave your comment below and share with us ukuthi ke wena uyenjoyile yini le season kade siyibuka, yiphi ama changes ongafisa ukwabona, ufisa ukubona kwenzakalani ku season 2 amalanga ke awafani. That brings us to the end of this video. Leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.